Hey friends, today I'm going to share how to transform your home into calm and stylish space with some easy and frugal tips. I'm Arwa. I love sharing my design experience to make your home stylish on a budget. I believe simple designs and minimalism create a calm environment. So here are my 5 easy tips to make your space zen. First, let's talk about colors. Neutral tones reflect calmness and balance. They are a great way to make any room feel open and inviting. Colors like beige, grey and white helps create a sense of peace. They are easy on the eyes and make your space feel larger. When you use neutral tones, you allow your furniture and decorations to stand out. It's because neutral tones do not compete for attention. They provide a perfect backdrop for plants, artwork, and other accents. What I like about neutral colors is that they are timeless and they never go out of style. That means you won't need to repaint or redecorate often. Another great thing about neutral tones is that they are practical. I have kids and they always leave handprints or sometimes pencil lines on the walls. Because I use neutral colors on my walls, they are easy to clean and do touch-ups with fresh paint coat. Zen in Japanese creates a calm and timeless space. I recommend using neutral tones in bedrooms and living rooms where we relax. These calming colors help create a soothing atmosphere, making it easier to unwind and feel at ease after a long day. Too much of one color can make a room feel dull. Mix different shades and textures to add depth. Talking about depth, I recommend using natural materials for furniture. Think about pieces made from wood, bamboo, or stone. The touch of nature makes a room feeling warm and inviting. For me, wooden furniture adds character to the design. I like the rustic charm of the wood and also it's durable and ages well. Bamboo is another great choice. It's eco-friendly and very strong. Think of lightweight furniture but durable. It also gives your space a modern, clean look. Using natural materials is not just a design choice, it's a lifestyle choice. It creates a connection to the earth and gives a calming effect. Next, let's talk about layout. For a minimalist design, an open and airy layout is key. It helps your space feel more spacious and inviting. Just by reorganizing, we'll take one step at a time. Place furniture wisely. It should not block windows and pathways. Arrange them in a way that you have a natural movement throughout the space. This will create a sense of openness in the house. Talking of windows, while choosing my current home, windows played an important role in the decision. The house has big windows, which brings in plenty of sunlight. Also, I love the lake in our backyard with a lot of trees. I felt the sense of calm it brings to the house. Keeping the space open was important to me to really enjoy the fresh air and natural light. Another important part of minimalism is keeping your space uncluttered. Use smart storage solutions to keep things tidy. Floating shelves and multifunctional furniture can be really helpful. They keep your space organized without taking up a lot of room. Now that the space is open and airy, getting the lighting right is really important. Good lighting can change everything. Think about how you feel when you enter a cozy coffee shop. The lighting is usually gentle, making you feel at ease right away. So start by choosing the right bulbs. Look for ones labeled as soft white or warm white. In general, choose the light that is closer to natural sunlight. Now think about how to use lamps. Floor lamps, table lamps, and wall sconces can create cozy spots of light. You could place them in corners or near seating areas to spread the glow and make the space inviting for you and your guests. Remember, small changes can make big difference. If you can, just add dimmer shade main lights. It will let you adjust the brightness according to your mood. For instance, brighter for reading and working, and softer for relaxing and watching TV. Now let's make it even better by bringing natural elements into your home. Think about adding a bonsai tree or a small rock garden. These simple additions can transform your space into a peaceful retreat, connecting you with nature even when you are indoors. I like bonsai tree because they are small and they can fit in almost any room. They also bring a sense of calm and help purify the air. You can place them on a table or in a corner. They really look great. You can also look for low-maintenance plants like succulents or snake plants. They are easy to manage as they don't need a lot of water or attention. They add a touch of green and makes a room feel more alive. I'll be honest with you, with my young kids, I have 4 plants in my home. They do the job of creating calm environment, but nothing replaces natural plants. And it's on my list to move back to natural plants. So friends, the idea of today's video is to create simple yet timeless design. The tips I've shared today are about trends that comes and goes. I know you want to enjoy seasons and latest trends, and you can still do that by playing with decor, cushions, and accessories, which are easy to change and budget-friendly. Our aim is to have a place of calmness with sense of great design. I bet these changes and design elements would bring zen to your life. Japanese and Scandinavians have mastered these over generations. We should take their best practices and layer our personal styles on top. Think of Japanese dining table shabudai, which may not work for you. What you can do is you can replace it with a wooden table or one with natural stone on it. Also, consider floor sofas. They are great for airflow. If sitting on the ground isn't your style, low-height sofas are a good choice. Or if you're feeling adventurous, add a Middle Eastern majlis to your basement for a unique touch. In the end, your home must reflect your personality, and the design has to help bring calmness and happiness to your life. That's it for today. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more interior design tips on a budget, and I'll see you next time.